Hello, in this video I'm going to give you the anatomy of the key valve and flex line kit. Here you go. Now, basic anatomy of black piping. Disclaimer, not a plumber. You're going to have a licensed professional make all these connections for you. I just want to give you the anatomy and the pieces and parts because I get a lot of questions about them. First thing, we'll pretend this is your hard line. This is your fuel supply coming in. You're going to hard line over to the key valve. The reason you want to do that is to keep this key valve in place and solid so that it doesn't move around once it's installed. From the key valve, you're going to go to your flex line, right? 36-inch whistle-free stainless steel flex line. Has straight fittings and compression fittings. Key valve. Flex line. Flex line all the way up to another flared fitting in the end of the flex line into, this is a 3/4 male. Most burners up to the 180,000 BTU are going to be a 1/2 inch, so it needs to be reduced. Enter the fit 180. This is a little brass piece, 1/2 inch male. It actually threads on the inside of that and then to the burner right here. Once you're at the top of the flex line, that simply screws into the 1/2 inch female on the bottom of a plate. And that's it. That's the anatomy of a flex line kit. MontanaFirePits.com, when you go to order this, your burner, your plate, you're going to need to order the flex line kit. 9 times out of 10, just order the flex line kit. It's one less thing that you're going to have to source on your own, and we include everything that you need. Check the description below for a link to the flex line kits and some of our popular burners. Also, click here to see 2 more videos that reference the key valve and installation kits that will be very helpful for you. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, comment, like, share, subscribe to us on YouTube, and let's get those fires burning.